Hello folks, welcome to Battlesnake Coding Badly. My name is Joe, and if you are new here, Battlesnake is a competitive programming game where you write the code that controls a snake in a multiplayer game of Snake. And Coding Badly is kind of our mad science show. It's where we try and do very silly things with Battlesnake, such as face-controlled snakes, blockly-controlled snakes, and this time the Battlesnake Relay. And to tell you a little bit about what the Battlesnake Relay is all about, I will throw up my screen. So the Battlesnake Relay was taking place during the Spring League. It is no longer the Spring League. The Spring League is done. It's out of here. But we are continuing all the way through into 19th of May. So by the end of this relay, maybe we'll be able to enter the Snake into the Summer League. And what's happening throughout that period of February the 3rd to the 19th of May is that we have one Battlesnake code base, what started out as a JavaScript snake that 8 different developers are getting their hands on the dates between February 3rd, 19th of May. Every 2 weeks, a different developer inherits the snake, adds their contributions to the snake, and then we hand it off to the next person. If you want to see where we're at, the current state of the code, you can go to github.com/Joe Nash/coding badly relay, and right there in the README, you will have a table of all of the guests, their contributions, and the commit of the end of their show. At the end of the show, our guest will push their code up, and then we'll get that added to the relay as well. So far, we are on show 5. We've been joined by Corey, Mason, Gary, Naomi, and now we have Penelope. I'll be honest, chat. This relay has not gone how we expected it to go. We hoped for chaos. We did not expect chaos to arrive quite as quickly and assuredly as it did. I am not going to do my usual intro to the snake because our guest this week, Penelope, is so angry about the state of the snake that I expect we'll get a full intro as Penelope tells us all the things that are wrong with the codebase. Please welcome Penelope to the stream. Hello, Penelope. How are you doing?
What's up, memers and dreamers? It's your girl Penelope here, coming back at you with another episode of Battlesnake. Joe, I am so pleased to be here.
Welcome.
It's like you asked me to be on the show, and I was like, should I be at the beginning? Should I be in the middle of the season? I was like, you know what? I will be the mid-season cleanup crew. Because I think we all knew someone was going to
make a mess.
Someone was going to need to come in here and so I am ready. I
have been leaning on that a lot. Every show, at least once, I've been like, it's okay, Penelope's going to come fix this in a couple of episodes. What I didn't expect was when I messaged you this morning being like, hey, you feeling good about the show today? You just say, oh yeah, I've been in the Coding Badly Discord channel. Of me to check that channel and see righteous fury about the state of the snake.
Yeah, so listen, on episode 1, Corey came in and ruined everything. Hi, Corey, I love you.
I said this. I think I said this to Corey. I've definitely said it to most of our guests. Corey, if I haven't said this to you, I'm sorry. But when I invited Corey to be the first guest, honestly, in my mind was like, Corey's a nice man. Corey will come in. He'll do sensible JavaScript. He'll set a really good foundation. Corey builds good, nice snakes. This will be awesome. And then Corey came in as an agent of chaos and just burned us all down.
Yeah, so I'm here. I have arrived, and I am going to do my level best to unchaos us a little bit today. So you should have my IDE in.
Yes, I'll throw it up. Here we go.
Maybe we can just go ahead and sort of start memeing and dreaming. So, okay. When I started reading the code, well, firstly, actually, when I downloaded the code and tried to compile it, it didn't compile. Corey, clutched a PR out yesterday that fixed that. So thank you, Corey.
What happened? That's the first time I think we've had that.
Yeah, so somewhere between the first show and now, Google deleted a bunch of polyfills out of the Go WASM.js because it's we shouldn't provide the polyfills. We should because we might be executing in an environment where they're present. Totally reasonable decision, but obviously dependency management is hell in software engineering, and especially hell in JavaScript. And then I saw this thing, and I was like, I can't believe this. So yeah, this is what we're gonna fix today. There's no reason for us to JSON.stringify across the JavaScript Go boundary. This is I don't understand why we're doing this.
I can't remember when or why that was added, so don't look at me.
The most charitable interpretation, and therefore the one I will choose to take, is that the person who did this did not want to learn how to pass JavaScript values from JavaScript to Go, which is like a very reasonable thing to not want to learn. However, like I actually think it's not that difficult because I read some of the Go docs on main.go. This package, syscall.js. So Joe, I want to tell you that when I opened up this file in VS Code and installed the Go extension, this had a red underline on it. And the reason is that the syscall.js package is not available on ARM64 or AMD 64 because it's purely used for WASM Go builds. And so I had to learn how to configure VS Code in WASM mode for Go.
Perfect.
Then the anger got deeper. And now we're here. And like it's really interesting, right? So we have this just to kind of continue to explain, we bind this function with this name here. I also don't love that we're exporting these globally. We might not export these globally if we have time. But then the thing that comes in, right, is a js.value. And this is, of course, because, like when you pass an object from JavaScript to Go needs a way to represent them. And this package in Go is what represents those, right?
Okay.
We are passing these as strings, and then we're calling board from JSON. And like we're unmarshalling this when it's already a dictionary, right? So like we're basically doing a almost entirely pointless conversion.
Look, in defense of all three guests after Corey, the minute I messaged people being like, "Hey, by the way, the code base is Go now," everyone was like, "Sorry, what?" So like, no one knew Go coming into this. Even Corey, from what I understood, wasn't super sure what was going on. So
yeah. No, it's totally reasonable. However, I'm here now, and
as is Hugh Rawlingson. Welcome to the chat, Hugh.
Hey, Hugh.
I will get you that hotline set up soon. Don't worry. Hugh says that dependency management is one of the big triumphs of the JS ecosystem.
Cool. This is my show, Hugh. So.
So what are we doing today? What's the plan?
So what we're going to do is it's just a lo-fi refactoring to start with. We're gonna pass game state as a real object through from TypeScript to Go, and then we're gonna use that, and then we're gonna eliminate the JSON stringify, and then we're gonna do it for the other thing. And so I've just tacked another argument. Sorry, it's been a little while since I've done a live coding stream, and I'm remembering I have to explain everything. So
it's been like a week.
I don't fucking know. So I tacked a game state on here, right? And then we'll add another thing here.
Cool.
And then we'll like what's the best way to do this? Like my thesis is how does I suspect JS values don't. Oh wait, this needs to be 1 and this needs to be 2 now.
I already don't know what's happening, but that's not surprising.
Okay, let's do this, in slow motion. Wait, why is this suddenly not working? Oh, right. I love the Go compiler. So like,
is it chugging?
Basically, right, I added an extra argument into this function call.
Sure.
This is our Go function.
Yeah.
So now, and this takes a slice of JS arguments.
Okay.
So instead of this being 0 and 1, now this is 2, and right, my new argument is 1, right?
Sure.
And so this board from JSON is actually probably most of what we need. So I'm going to make a copy of it. Board from JS value. It's funny, I was watching a friend of mine do board JS.value a Go stream right before this. So I'm feeling kind of pumped. Let's just take a quick look at JS.value Is there a property or a get or something? Yeah, get returns JavaScript property of value v, right? So
Nice. God,
we
the things you can do if you actually look at the the code that is being used.
Yeah, so we can say this is object.get board, and then this is going to itself be a this cast is no longer a thing.
Mm-hmm.
But now we can say board. Can I not type? Is that how you spell board?
Yes, that's 100% how you spell board.
Yeah,
Don't
great.
let VS Code hate you.
Get. And so you kind of see what I'm doing here, right? I'm using the Go interface to JavaScript objects to unpack all of this rather than doing a JSON serialize and a JSON deserialize.
Sure.
Cool. This is certainly you can't range a JS value, but I bet you can get its length somehow. Yeah. For how do you do a for loop
in Go?
Yep, I bet Copilot can generate this for me.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll work it out.
Yep, thank you, Copilot.
Cool. There's one thing I really appreciate about Copilot, like using a language you don't normally code them. It's just really nice.
Yeah, because I was like, I don't know how to do that. I bet Copilot knows how to do it. Wait, did it generate invalid code? No.
No,
great. And then this is s.get id. So bad at coding.
She says after pointing out all the ways this code base could have been better in ways that none of us understood.
What?
What's happening?
What? No.
What? Oh wait, are they?
But why? Is Brad in the chat?
Brad is not in the chat. I can attempt to summon Brad.
No, it's fine. I don't get why these are. It's fine. We don't need to yell at Brad. I don't know that stylistically this is the best thing for the rules repo to do, but like, whatever.
I've summoned him. If he's free, we can yell at him.
oh no! Am I gonna have to justify?
I mean, the chances of him being free are probably not high, but we'll see. It's quite early in Pacific time. Let's have a look.
It's like 11 a.m.
Dude's got children. I don't know. I know how time works.
Cool. So we're doing something here which is like actually pretty good for refactoring practice, which is to just replace stuff in line, like make copies, and then can Copilot just do this for me? Oh, I love it. Copilot is so good. You know what? We need to.
Can we scroll a bit? Can we get this code a little bit more central in the screen for the viewers? Beautiful.
Sure. Thank you, Joe. Yeah, I mean, this is a fairly mechanical. Yep. Copilot apparently knows the Go WASM module, which is kind of amazing. Cool. 2-point array food. This is now 2-point array JS. This is now. What was this originally? Where is? This should be. You know what? Board JS should be game JS. I think this is right. Right, the turn is
Okay.
on the top level game, not the board.
Yes, correct. Once again, every single stream we have to remember what one of these requests look like, despite dealing with them constantly.
If only, like, all of these were like proto buffs or some other typed struct.
I am really glad they're not.
Yeah, I mean, JSON is definitely friendlier for newer devs, right? Cool.
Slash.
I want to this is horrible, but we'll make it better in a second. This is really game. I hear you typing. Are you summoning?
I have drawn the appropriate incantations in salt on the floor, and a Brad may or may not appear.
And I suspect invalid operation. Oh, there's like a deep.
Hugh is praising your refactoring practice. Yeah, it's a good point, Hugh. We are having good coding on Coding Badly, which is highly discouraged.
Oh god, how do you compare two objects with arrays inside them and go deep?
I don't know. At this point, the code base is completely beyond me. I know neither TypeScript nor Go.
Deeply equal. I think it's just okay. This is gross. We have a way to output like stuff on the.
What is reflect?
Okay, sorry. I did like a Penelope thing of like looking at an error message for 100 milliseconds and inferring a like what to do next.
Okay.
Which is a thing I do a lot. Okay, so you can't do this in Go because in Go you cannot compare objects that contain slices.
Okay.
So we need to use reflect.deep equal. Like, this is just Go is not a very good programming language problem.
But like, what does reflect.deep equal do? Though that's a sequence of words I've never heard.
Okay, so reflect is basically reflection, and then deep equal is like it knows how to traverse entire data structures.
I see. Okay.
Like most of it. How do I like if I do a print line here, will it show up in the JavaScript console?
So this is a unresolved issue of our code base that printing from Go appears to like you get one print line per execution of the Go module. That's all you get.
Okay, cool.
And we don't know why. So yeah.
We will actually cause this JS return. Go wasm return values. We can actually return I'm pretty sure we can return a slice of JS.value from this. Or do we have to return what types can we return from this? Take construction new. JavaScript code will now return a date object. Query says you got one print line. Okay, so we'll just modify this function to return a JavaScript array. So let's take a look at how we make a JavaScript array.
We still haven't made any advances on why that is, right, Corey?
Make value. How do I make... It does make value... What does make value do? Well, it's private anyway.
Brad's here.
Brad,
Penelope wants a word with you.
Brad. Brad, I have questions, and the specific question I have is why are all of the types in board state specified to be int32s instead of normal JavaScript integers?
Wait, JavaScript is a Go module.
Oh, sorry, normal Go integers. Like, why are they specifically int32s? That seems weird to me. Okay, cool. So we can. Brad says he has no idea. Okay, cool.
Perfect.
Then I can just resume being righteously furious, and everything is fine. So we can say js.value of slice of empty interface of how do I do this? Go slice literal. Cool. Brad doesn't know the thing. Great. Well, this is some weird Go syntax, but what we can do is we can say var equal actually var equals this thing. And actually we don't even need to do that. We can do this. And then equal why can I not do this? Oh, right, because I need to cast this to...
Wait, did your tooltip have a table in it?
Where are you? What?
When you hovered over that, there was like,
Yeah.
oh, is it? Interesting.
Yeah, of
Very
course
cool.
it does that.
Of course it does that.
What did we declare this function to return? Empty interface. We do this. Is this a thing we can do? This is a thing we can do. Okay, cool. So now we say values equals this. Const did we die equals values 0. Const equals how do we assert in JavaScript? Can we assert in JavaScript?
I don't know. I don't do testing. Hugh will know. Yeah, Hugh, give us something useful other than trolling me.
I've thrown you, like, it's fine. It's fine. Like, this will work. This is gross, actually.
Console.assert, Corey says.
Throw new error. No, we'll just throw new error. It's fine. npm build? How do I build? npm run build? That's right. npm start. Great. Wait, Corey, you fixed this. This is the thing Corey fixed.
I didn't merge the PR, so unless you pulled down the branch with the PR,
No,
because I didn't see it. Cool.
I'm one commit ahead of Corey. Oh, does rerunning the build script break the thing again? Globalist.crypto is not available. Git log patch. Oh. Did I accidentally delete Corey's patch? I did accidentally delete Corey's patch. Well, whatever. This is how we fix that. It's gross, but this is how we fix that. Build.
Building shouldn't break it. You would hope not.
Oh, no, okay, fuck. Okay, now this is actually broken.
Well, we made it 28 minutes.
Corey, what the fuck is going on?
There has not been a single stream in this relay where someone has not ended up going, Corey, help!
Well,
Corey, we appreciate you. Thank you for being here to save us once again.
Well, let's just stash and then cd go build TypeScript no npm run build npm start. Nope. Start? dev. Fuck. Yeah, and my crypto is gone.
All my crypto gone.
Crypto fix. I mean, this. Okay, wait. So between. Okay, Corey just accidentally deleted his own fix between two commits, is what it looks like. Corey, why you do this thing? Oh no, I see. Okay. I see, I think. So this wasm.ts file require wasm npm run. What's the bet npm's rm.prod npm run build? What's the bet npm's just gotten confused? Nope. Node prod index.ts.
Oh, hey, VJ. Welcome.
Oh, what's the bet? This is awful. We should just fix this.
Sorry, Penelope. The last time VJ was here in chat was when you did Bashnake, and they are reliving you doing some wild stuff with make FIFO. FIFO.
It looks like it looks like the crypto, the global this crypto thing. Okay, vim prod index.ts fire./wasm prod wasm.js. Cool. Well, this has the fix equals web crypto require go out wasm exec.js. This was working. Like, the thing that's frustrating to me about this is this was working.
Yeah.
Probably a ton of credentials in my history here, but like, let's just see what I was doing yesterday. Cat build.sh. This works on your machine. That's great. It doesn't work on my machine. Corey, that's the commit that we have here, right? Fill global list by requiring crypto package and then filling it in manually. Node prod index.js. Well, it's time to do Penelope hacks. Because we can just like, a very stupid thing we can do that should nevertheless work is this. We can just copy this line right here, and this should at least get us unblocked. Maybe. That's really exciting because that suggests, where is global this actually defined? Oh, are we not editing the same file that we think we're editing?
That would be fun.
Yeah, wouldn't it? No, we are editing the same file we think we're editing. Fine. It's fine, everyone. How? Oh, I think I know what's wrong.
Okay, go on.
What's the latest Node version? Is it 16?
17 point something or other, I think.
Boom! I fixed it. The problem is I.
Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
But I'm like.
Which? Amazing. Oh.
I love it. I love it. We fixed the problem. We fixed the problem. The problem is fixed. Now we can go back to
what a perfectly accurate microcosm of like everything I hate about JavaScript development. I'm sorry, Hugh. Just every time I go do JavaScript, I end up getting tripped up by science to inversions.
So now we can run a Battlesnake game and see if we blow up when we do the comparison, and if we don't, then we can delete all of this JSON serialization and be very, very proud of ourselves. So I'm going to run a Battlesnake.
Sorry, VJ, I'm not surprised Penelope fixed it. I was surprised that the issue all along was being in the wrong JavaScript version.
So we're going to have the badly coded snake play against Does This Work lol.
Great. Real punching down there.
Well,
I guess punching sideways, since this is now your code in the snake.
Well, hey, it's not.
Stop hitting yourself. Stop hitting yourself.
Hey, it's not crashing. So we did.
That's good. That's good.
So now we can delete the code that powerfully offends me. So this can go away, and we can come in here and delete this, and this becomes 0, and this becomes 1, and we can delete this, and then we can say this can just be board, and then do we want the legacy equality? No, it's fine. We proved it's correct. Cool, and now we can delete board from JSON because this is no longer used. I love refactoring. Like, look at how much code we're deleting.
Delete all the code. Delete all of it. Everyone's contributions go to them.
I mean, it's me. What were you expecting?
In fact, let's get rid of this code. Let's restart the whole thing in Rust. Can we do Rust? Can we bring in Rust WASM?
We're not doing that. I have to set some boundaries with you, Joseph, darling.
That's fine.
Okay. So we deleted the one thing. I guess we should for npm npm run build. What's the bet we broke something horribly? Great, we broke something horribly. Oh, great. Great. I'm so glad I'm so glad. You know, it's fine. Like, oh, did I just not save my file? Is all of this because I didn't save my file? Let's just back out into what we think is a known good state. I'm actually being sensible about how we do the coding here. I want to make sure if I'm refactoring, I'm doing proper refactoring. You know.
Yeah, for sure. You bring the good coding to Coding Badly. That's fine.
Sweet. We broke everything. Why did we? Oh, I need to rebuild my Go code, don't I?
Yes.
Corey.
It's not the best process we currently have. I didn't Naomi add a shell script that just does a build script that just does the whole thing?
I think it builds the TypeScript, but not the Go.
Oh, okay. I thought Naomi had added the Go to it. My bad.
Well, I've just. Oh wait, that's not gonna. Oh my god, that's okay. I'm so angry. Vim build.sh. Wait, what? Oh. That's. Oh god. You can tell I'm panicking because I'm making lots of mistakes here. Script bin, script server.
It's truly a special stream when we make Penelope panic about the code.
Bin bash set uxo pipe fail.
Wait, what is happening? What are we doing now?
I got angry that the build scripts like are too fragile, so I'm writing a global build script that does everything.
We've gone on a side quest.
Yeah, because like look at how many commands I'm having to run.
Yeah.
To do one thing. Okay, this is a bit of a hack, but whatever.
Yes, this is the point where a hack has been introduced. Right now. Only now, never before.
Sure. Oh, this would have been much nicer if it let me do the thing, but whatever, it's fine. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Great.
Perfect. Thank you for doing that.
Of course. I mean, would it really be a Penelope stream if we didn't... Wait, why did my... Okay. At least now we don't have to do this over and over again. Love writing shell scripts. Great.
Battlesnake laughs in the background.
Cannot read properties of undefined, reading 0. Interface. Oh. Right. This needs to be a value of... Right. Problem here? To an board from JS value. Main.go 103. Okay, cool. We actually... So the problem is, we thought our code was working, but it wasn't working because...
Classic.
It wasn't updating because there are too many build systems in this thing. And now I have written the one build system to rule them all.
Excellent.
Now we can actually just run one script and get the server running. Who would have thought? Great.
Not that error message.
Yeah, but like we're actually to int. What? What?
Someone please clip that exact shout of what.
What? Okay, I don't even have the time to work out why the person did that. I'm just gonna move straight past it.
I don't even what even are you whatting at? It's all what's, isn't it?
Great. Main to int. This to int function, like,
yeah,
it takes an empty interface, then casts the argument to float 64, then converts it to an int.
Wait, is this code a guest on the show wrote, or is this is in main.go?
Yeah,
I mean, if this is Corey, it's got to be Corey. I think it's only Corey at this point in the code. The person is always me, lol, says Corey.
Well, Corey, I'm sorry, but how
You've been called out, sir.
Okay. We're very slowly fixing all the bugs. All the bugs.
Welcome to 90 minutes of Penelope shouts what? We're halfway through. Are we going to get MinMax done?
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, no, totally. The server is working. We fixed the... You know when I said this is totally working now and it wasn't working? Now it's actually working.
Cool. Well, have we put it in the game yet? Oh, it is in the game. Yeah,
it's running. You can't see the game because it's running in my browser to the side, but it's totally running a game.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Wow, got to turn 180. That's actually not bad.
Nice. Yeah, cool. Okay, so now we can rip. We can swap these around. Like this. See, I'm learning to very slowly trust this code base less and less, and as I learn to trust it less and less, I'm learning to move in smaller and smaller increments. In fact, you know what? I'm going to run one more test, and if this test works, I'm going to commit so that I have something at my back to like revert back to if we get all shenaniganized. Great, it's working. This works. Cool. Now we can do the original ripping of the JavaScript out that I wanted to do, which we can do like this. This can be that. This can be that. And then in logic.ts, we can rip that out. And now we can run our server again to check that set of moves didn't break anything. I also need like a faster script for running games. If only Battlesnake had an API to start games, that would be sick.
Yeah, Brad.
Cool.
To be fair, at this point, that has to be one of the most requested features. I'd love to know where that ranks, because that gets brought up all the time.
Cool. We have another working snake, so we can commit. Let's kill this JSON stringify 2, and then how long do we have left, Joe?
45 minutes.
Yeah, we can
solid halfway point.
Yeah, we can totally get to min-max in that time. So what are we doing with this moves array? It's a snake moves. Okay, cool.
Brad said there technically is an API, we just don't talk about it. That sounds like a challenge to me.
I mean, have you met me? Never, ever, ever put that kind of a challenge to a Penelope.
Never tell Penelope there's an API.
Yeah. Cool. So we'll do the same thing. Moves.js here. This is an array now. Moves is an array of JS values of strings. And what is the representation here? Is it a string? Move in possible moves. Yeah, it's a string. Okay, cool. So, and strings like move, unpack it into us. What type does it get unpacked to? Let's see if Copilot can just generate this for us. Come on, Copilot.
Did it just do nothing?
Wait, it's thinking. There we go.
There we go.
Half of working with Copilot is just knowing like how to
like what it's doing at any one point.
Yeah, how to trick it into doing the thing you want. So ID, yep. Move. Yeah, cool. And this actually is we'll do the same pattern where we have this and this, and then we will, yeah, cool. If deep equals moves arrays to confirm the new thing works, equals. And we'll come back to logic.ts and cool, we still have that throw in there. So that's everything we need for this. So we'll run our server again. We'll create a rematch. We'll blow up. Oh, did I not? What did I not do? What did I get wrong here? 83? Oh, that seems good. Oh, did I? Yes, I fucked up. That's fine.
Language, Penelope. We'll
I'm
upset the
sorry.
children.
Oh, I'm sorry. Should I be more family friendly?
We are a family-friendly stream.
Oh, okay. I
appreciate that.
I apologize.
You're all good. It happens.
It's just my stream is not family is explicitly not family friendly. So, cool.
We
We have
slap the
a
big PG-13 sticker on the window.
yeah. We have a bug of some kind. So you're telling me I only get one print?
You only get one print, yeah. And then
Okay.
Code just decides to give up.
Okay, cool. We can work with that constraint, I think.
It's probably my favorite thing about this snake. Actually, it's just so farcical.
Oh, hey, cool. We have an oops. Oh, I lied to Copilot, so it generated code that doesn't. Why? What? Why? But why though?
What's happening?
Why are these capitalized? Like the properties in the dictionary are capitalized for no reason.
Oh, cool. Cool. Really
Oh,
nice.
it's to make Go's magic JSON deserialization work.
Oh, okay.
I think. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. We fixed our bug. Okay, so
I don't know, VJ. That's what I'm asking. Does Copilot have pricing yet? Like, is it still just free?
it as far as I'm aware, it's just free.
Okay.
Actually, I have a crazy idea.
Okay.
No, we shouldn't do the crazy.
Well,
idea.
now we need to hear it. You can't say that and then not tell us what it is.
Well, so I was thinking to do like a halfway decent min-max.
Yeah.
You need a heuristic function.
Mm-hmm.
And one thing that's interesting here is we have we actually have the only query function we would need to do an MCTS, because we have did the state result in death or victory?
Yeah.
Oh shit, am I still here?
Yeah, you are, but you just zoomed in.
Yeah, I just kicked the power supply that's powering all of the hardware apart from my laptop.
Nice.
And apparently my router is still going. I'm just gonna turn my camera off, turn all the hardware back on, and then
Okay. It was weird. You like flickered, your camera went like slightly different, and your text editor zoomed in, and that was all we got. Intermission.
What is this?
I did this I was playing, what happened last week? Oh, I was playing D&D, and we were in the middle of a session, and I dropped my pen, and it landed perfectly on the switch of the like the extension lead under my desk, and just switched my whole setup off.
Okay, I think I'm back.
Well recovered.
Yeah, I managed to kick the switch on the surge protector that
Perfect.
Okay.
We do have this fun, but this does also, you need to give it every snake. So that was where we had the problem before. So you need to give a move for every single snake that's in the game, and that's what's been tripping us up. Okay.
We can do that. That's not too hard. There's like a bunch of things that aren't actually going to be too hard here, I think. Okay, so let's start with something much easier than implementing a full-blown MCTS.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, I have changes. I should test my changes.
All right, VJ, bye. Thanks for dropping by. Good luck with your operating systems class.
Oh, this is the most Penelope stream of all time.
It's perfect. At this point, we can just get a playlist on the Battlesnake channel of just Penelope streams.
Cool. Okay, the snake is working. Okay, so not dying. Not dying would be good, wouldn't it?
That is the aim. So far, Battlesnake hasn't released a mode where the goal is to die.
So we need multi-Cartesian products, which is
I know some of those words.
Can we do multi-Cartesian product?
No one listens to my typing while I Google stuff.
Cool. Cool. JavaScript actually has this built in, which is nice. Well, sort
Learn
of
something
built in.
every day.
Sort of built in. You can express
Sort
it.
of built in.
You can express it as one line of code, which is kind of nice.
You can write math in JavaScript, therefore it's built in.
Yeah, there we go.
Just flat map.
Oh, but
Okay,
do we
cool.
not have it in TypeScript? Oh. Do we need to give this a type?
It looks like it.
Can I say this is a string array? That's sufficient. Oh, right. A is a... Well, I can just do this. Oh, no, right. This is a string... This is an array of string arrays.
Hey, Oddwire. Hey, Nesagrev. Nesagrev said how to make a snake, mix TypeScript, Go, Rust, and then shut the power off.
Wait, so I'm having... Do you need to change your target library? Fuck. Can we write this more... Yes, okay, we can write this more simply.
Okay.
Or using fewer...
So you're abandoning that one-liner because the TypeScript typing the...
Yeah.
Spreads, okay.
Yep. I mean, really... I don't know why I need to type this, but... This is annoying because this is valid JavaScript and it's just not...
Types.
Great. Someone has converted this to a gist, maybe?
It's converted what to a gist? What?
The code I'm trying to just kind of like paste
okay,
it
cool.
in.
Cool. Yeah, I imagine it's a common one-liner that someone would have fixed.
Is not assignable to parameter type concat array never. Types returned by slicer incompatible. Never. Great, and it doesn't work. Which is... Why? Okay, this is a real question, but like... I'm just going to keep pasting examples from GitHub until one of them works.
Yeah, that's how I go about coding. That's fine.
Yeah.
Whilst you're doing that, a couple of new people have joined us. Welcome to the stream. This is episode 5 of the Relay, where we've got 8 developers programming on one Battlesnake. Penelope, as guest number 5, has fixed all of our nonsense and is now dealing with the fact that TypeScript won't allow her to be as clever with mathsy one-liners as she would like. Is that accurate?
T is not assignable to type slice of T. Yeah, I don't understand how people ever got this to compile if it's not... Like, are we using a weird version of TypeScript or something?
I don't think so. I mean, it was literally converted to TypeScript like last week. The TypeScript bit's really new.
Okay. Are we allowed to write untyped functions or like...
I had literally no. I mean, are you asking me philosophically as the owner of the code base? Or you're asking TypeScript. If you're asking me, yes. If you're asking if I know anything about TypeScript, no.
I think I can hack.
Oh, Corey says turn off strict mode in tsconfig.
Oh. Oh, I know what I need to say. Okay. We just need to give all of these return types, maybe? Am I going to have to actually think about this? That's supremely annoying.
CodeWrench has dropped some tips. CodeWrench has dropped some ideas in chat, if you've got chat open.
I want it to not be any, though. So we reduce with... Is the first argument to reduce? JavaScript reduce. Is it the value or the slice of values? Reduce previous value, current value. So that would be a T slice, a T. We map over function a.map, yes, function which takes a t and map returns an array of t's. I really can't believe I'm having to teach the compiler all of this, but whatever. It's fine. That's going to be a t. Returns a array of t's. No?
Not having that either.
TypeScript Cartesian product. Cartesian product using TypeScript. I'm in so much pain. This is like one of those things where we're at just like a fractal. There we go. There we go. This one looks good.
How many have we copy and pasted in now? Is that the third or the fourth?
Yeah, but now we can const sort function Cartesian I definitely know how to program TypeScript. That's a thing I definitely know how to program. Great, this one compiles.
Woo!
So now we introduce a type parameter. So compiles. Break everything for a second. So compiles. Great. Cool. So, all moves equals, so we need to change this function. What does this do? Get valid move. Yeah, cool. So we can actually just make this return all the moves. Returns a move slice. I get a time check.
We are at 1 hour, so 30 minutes.
Okay.
TypeScript sucked up 15 minutes of your time.
Are you gonna force me to stop in half an hour?
No, of course not. You've got until I fall asleep, which is a surprisingly tight deadline, but not tight as you'd think.
Okay, so now this So this is a array of this is an array of objects with ID string move slice. That's how you do that. String, right? Wait, what type is this? Can I inline the type declaration somehow? Oh, I just can't write TypeScript very well because I learned it this week, literally for the stream.
This really surprises me. I would have thought you'd have had to call to use it before.
Nope. It's like this, right? Yeah, cool. File, great. So now we have a list of our snakes and all the moves we think that are valid for them. So now we want do we want the cross product of that? Oh god. Oh, this is going to be really annoying. Oh, why do people do this to me? I like... How do we... What's the iteration order we want here? We want the product of all possible snakes and moves. Yeah, so we want...
Yeah, so for folks who haven't implemented any of the tree searching things before, what are all these products for? What are you producting?
So the idea is to generate all possible forward moves, right?
Right.
Oh, I know. This is not. This is not quite what we want. This is close though. Instead, what we want to do is const number of snakes on board equals actually, and we don't really want to even slice here. Oh, this is, we don't even want this. We don't want this data structure at all, actually. I'm realizing equals game state dot board dot snakes dot length for then thank you, Copilot. I'm just like, Copilot has just made me so lazy. Yeah, thank you.
That's been their plan all along.
That's not quite what I wanted. Can I do this? Is this not actually a function? Oh, that's so annoying. JavaScript repeat array n times. Can you really do that? Apparently you can do that. Then, for innate moves that aren't valid for a given snake, oh, this is going to be kind of weird. How does this function work? Does this take the game state and a snake ID? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So const valid moves. This is actually very similar to the code that I have in DemiFam.
Mm-hmm. Are you using the rules library, or have you handwritten that?
No, but like what I'm doing here is some move elimination, basically, right. Which like we actually almost verbatim have this code in DemiFam for each snake ID. So these are going to iterate in the same order. So now for how do you do a for I loop in? Yeah, great. Yeah. Then we can say valid moves for number of snakes. Oh gosh. Equals moves for snake dot filter. Do we have filter in JavaScript? Select. I'm just going to let Copilot write this for me. Why does this not work?
Thank you again, Copilot.
Implicitly has any type. Oh, sure. This is a string array. includes move. Get valid move. Move a type? Oh. Oh. I'm just gonna undo this for now. We'll fix this. We'll fix this later if we really need to.
When in doubt, spam undo.
Cool. So now we have the Cartesian products array. So now we need to build a little move tree. So, oh my god, I think this is actually going to work in. Oh wait.
I love it when 70 minutes in, there's I actually think this might work. What is the roadblock?
Sorry, I'm just thinking.
You're all good. You're all good.
Fill all moves. So we have 4. I really like. This is where I could really do with unit tests. Yeah.
I mean, as much as I wish we had unit tests, it wasn't until Stream 3. Yeah, that's the default. Oh no, hang on, Penelope, you did add some tests.
There is actually a test here. You know what? I don't know how to run the tests, and I feel like it would be folly to try and learn right now. Let's do this. Let's just deliberately explode, and then let's just dump the moves. What? Wait, what is this thing? This is a... Yeah, you know what? Let's just log some stuff to the console, see what it is, and then...
From JavaScript, try it. We're not logging from Go. Okay.
Cool. Yeah. You know what? I don't have to hold the entire program in my head.
No.
Oh, TypeScript. TypeScript Y. Is this now going to complain because it can determine with 100% certainty that I'm not returning the right type? Yeah, it is, isn't it? That's fine. What was I returning before? I was returning a response. What was the what is the type of response? Cool, okay. We'll just we'll leave that in there and we'll just left. We're gonna delete this code anyway. That should be enough to get the type checker happy. Property or signature expected? Oh, right. Yep. Also, I like that this branch is called Penelope Silliness. I feel like we've really achieved.
I mean, you named it. Don't.
Yeah.
That was your. Yeah. You knew what you were coming in here to do.
Yeah. We're so close. We're so close. I feel like we can make. I feel like we can make this work.
We're on the cusp.
Yeah. Yeah. Great. Okay. It's an array of. Yeah. So we're saying that down. Right. Why did we eliminate down? Huh. Okay, well we can... Huh.
What's happening in the game? We can't see the game, so we have no idea what weird situation it's been eliminated down from. I'm guessing there's...
It doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
Oh, wait, okay. Valid moves for Snake. Get valid move. Sorry, I'm like completely in my head. It's a game with two snakes where one of them goes straight to the top and one of them is well above the bottom, so eliminating down really doesn't make any sense. Except that it would collide with its own... One of them would collide with its own body if it moved down. I'm not sure if we check that here.
Oh, is it eliminating the move from the wrong... for the wrong reason?
If snake pause Y equals top. Top is not 0 in Battlesnake. So actually... top is 11. Top is...
Wait, was that in existing code?
Yeah, take a look at the code I'm editing right now. Top is not 0 in Battlesnake.
Did I write that here? I don't think that was me, but I vaguely recall that code being me.
Okay, so also our Cartesian product does not contain what we would expect it to contain, which is a bug. Our Cartesian product should be like pairs, not 4 arrays. So now I have to read this Cartesian product implementation. Takes a list of sets, reduces over them, gets a list of values from the sets, maps with ID. Am I just gonna write this the bad way?
Write it the bad way. We can get some bad coding in.
I'm just gonna write this the bad way. If sets dot length equals 0, turn empty array. Cool. We're just gonna. You know what? Let's code badly, Joe. Else. Yep. Copilot just write that for me. Let's see. Head.map with values x plus the spread of the Cartesian of tail.map. No, just the Cartesian of the tail. And then we take one list out. For I in that list, append the Cartesian of the tail to it. What type is this? Yeah, I think this is just the thing. What? Have you ever been utterly befuddled by some code you're looking at?
Yeah, weird. It always coincides with you coming on the stream.
Roast me. Oh, I know what the problem is. Const cart of tail equals this, and then for yeah, basically.
Copilot take the wheel.
Let build. Yep. This is the bad way of implementing this function.
Why do you... Okay. I was going to say, why do you do the Cartesian of tail, but that's obvious now I think about it for more than a second. Okay.
Yeah. Can you
But hang on, why? Because it always... Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It can only move one direction, so it seems gratuitous.
Great. Wait, it still isn't doing the thing I wanted it to do. I ripped it out with my own implementation. It's still not doing the thing I wanted it to do. That's very funny. Should be an array of pairs. Oh. No, I'm not logging the thing I thought I was logging.
So I know there's a couple
I'm never calling Cartesian product. I'm never calling...
Oh, perfect. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. It helps to call the code you write.
Yeah, I'm... Oh, and I know why I'm doing that, too. I'm. So it's been a week.
It has been a week.
It's been a week. There we go.
Lovely.
You know, what if we actually called the code we wrote? Isn't that a crazy idea?
It's not usually recommended.
uh, empty array.
As in no valid moves?
Yeah. Oh, dot log moves product. It's no valid moves for each snake. This is where I revert because my code was probably wrong. So let's actually undo back to the copy-pasted implementation of the Cartesian product. And there. And yep. I don't get why I'm not getting a Cartesian product, and I'm sad.
No one can help you now.
Yeah, no one can help.
Chat went very quiet the minute we started getting into this territory.
There is actually an even worse way of doing this that we could look at.
Okay.
We could code even more badly. But I really... I'm in so much pain. Oh wait, I need semicolons on the ends of my lines, don't I? Because this is JavaScript.
Did we not add...
What's the bet some missing semicolon somewhere is killing us?
I mean, there are so few situations where that actually matters.
Yeah.
We're not doing that. Oh God, what is it?
Oh, it's working.
Nice.
I don't know why. I don't know what just happened, but
Did you not save a file?
I probably didn't save a file. Let's be realistic. Cool. So now we have a list of moves
Okay.
we can inspect. This is going to be so good. The snake is actually going to look one move ahead.
Nice.
Entirely. Okay, so for possible possible move tuple in of... How do you iterate an array in JavaScript?
Iterate array? What do you mean? For loop it.
Is it this or is it
is it of or in? I want to say in. It's always that this one fucks me up because
we can just look at some existing code in the same file that we're in.
This one fucks me up because I always remember it's not the one I think it is, but then I do that too many times.
Yeah. Okay. Then we just need to build the ID'd moves array.
Yes, you're right, Corey.
Moves with IDs. Copilot. Hell yeah! Look at that. Map. It's not a string. It's a list of strings. You know it's a list of strings. Yeah, it is of. I don't know what was going on.
Oh, it is of. Really?
Yeah. Of his values in his keys.
Yes.
So now we can do a one move. So we can do a one move min max, right? And we actually need to return multiple elimination causes, which means we need to go back into the Go code. And can we just assume we're never going to have more than 4 snakes in this to make it easier for me to write the code?
I mean, sure, but rest assured, the minute our snake loses in an SPL, I will be blaming you loudly.
Okay, then I'll do it. I'll do it.
No, 4 is totally fine. I'm just messing with you.
I'll do it properly then.
Is this how that happened? Is this how the Penelope explodes in SPLs? Is this is this the trail of events that led to that?
No. What? Sorry, I wasn't listening.
You're all good. Don't worry. It wasn't important. Just me filling empty air.
I can't be trolled and and like code Go at the same time.
I can get away with it. She can't stop me.
How do I get the eliminated cause? It's like this. That's not how you declare it. Oh, it's not how you declare a string array in Go. I also can't believe you made me code both TypeScript and Go, 2 languages I do not code on a regular basis on stream today.
We just wanted to challenge you. Like, after you found the bash snake so easy, we had to find a way to, to raise the bar, right?
I see.
You should see what we've got planned for next time.
We're
gonna I actually unironically want to do a CUDA snake on stream at some point.
You know, I've been looking into that actually, and it's.
Do you think it's feasible?
Yeah, I do actually. Did any other snake die? Are we always guaranteed to be snakes 0?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
I mean, at least that's the conclusion we come to every time that question comes up. But no one has yet to say no. Yeah, Corey, you were not responsible for the TypeScript. We've only got Naomi to blame for that.
I don't know how to code in TypeScript, but Copilot does, so...
Are we gonna? Am I gonna have to bully Hugh into coming in for episode 8 when we've got the mob going to make sure we actually don't trip over the TypeScript?
Oh my god. Oh god, how do I... oh no. How do I go from... Oh no. I am encountering a thing I don't know how to do.
As in, like, theoretically, or just because of the TypeScript? What level are we on? What level of hell have we descended into?
Because of the TypeScript. So the problem we have here, right, is we need to slice through this values list.
Right.
But values is implicitly a list of any's. I wonder if I just say it's a list
you
of
type
strings.
it, yeah.
I wonder if we do this, if we can get away with this. I'm now so
it really upsets me how any's appear everywhere in TypeScript.
Now we can just do a quick 2-move min-max.
Corey is saying as lets you tell TS it's whatever you want.
So const. Okay, so now we just need... Oh god, how does this work? So a snake won't pick a move if it dies. So we can eliminate this state if we need to store a list of tuples. Min-max tuples equals this. Copilot, could you do the thing? Not moves with ID, just move tuple. Okay. So that gives us all our min-max tuples. Then we need to Eliminate all the min-max tuples where any other snake dies. Min-max tuples where no
Why
other
not
snake...
some var as C pointer? I don't even know if that's trolling.
Wait. We're passing elimination causes. Elimination causes are an empty string if we lived.
Correct.
So...
empty string or empty array?
Empty string.
Okay.
So did we die? Do this. Yeah, we can. Okay. So this will be true if value 0 is not an empty string. Empty string means we lived. Right, that checks out. Cool. Cool. This should just work. This is a one move min-max. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, let's hit it.
I will be shocked
So, when you say it's looking ahead one move.
Yeah, this is so what we do, right, is we simulate all possible forward games. Sorry, let me hide my terminal so I can sort of talk through this with you now that I've actually coded it up. So we build our Cartesian product of valid moves for each snake. We simulate that game. We check if we died, and we check if any other snake died, right? And the logic there is a snake won't make a move where it dies, and we don't want to make a move where we die, right? So then what we do is we throw out all of the potential future states where that other snake died, and then we throw out all of the states where we died.
Yeah.
And then what we're left with is a safe.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's what Corey just pointed out. There's a hard code in there. Perfect.
Yeah,
that makes sense.
Do we think this works? Let me restart my server, and we can see if maybe, who knows, right? Maybe I've screwed this up, and this is a good stopping point. But
and that leaves someone else to do. Oh, Go program's already exited. That looks hang on. That's fine, right?
That's not the most encouraging thing, is it?
But we have list of moves. Did that exit at the
value of
okay.
invalid value?
Okay.
What happened here? I don't know, but we're about to find out.
We're so close. We're so close, chat.
Yeah, it's fine. We can get this working. I actually have another hour before I need to go, so
I will definitely fall asleep. So we do not have another hour. It is late here in Amsterdam, but I can hang on.
Yeah, let's see how long.
jiggling.
Let's see where we get. I might noodle around with this after the stream just to finish.
Yeah, for sure.
Cool. What did I do wrong?
Do you have a theory on what's going on?
I really don't. But look at the git diff, and that should make it kind of obvious. Eliminated cause. Snakes 0, create port state. It did not make it obvious. Oh. Elimination causes is empty. Is this two empty strings? Is this two empty strings? Is Go doing something weird with empty strings? Yeah, it's two empty strings. Apparently we can't value of. Oh, I know. Oh, really? That's kind of disappointing.
Okay.
That's kind of disappointing. Have to value of everything. Like, we have to recursively value of our entire structure.
I see. Okay.
We can't just I was expecting to be able to call value of once on the whole structure and convert it, but it looks like we can't do that. Is probably the most likely explanation. And we crashed again. Cannot read properties of undefined and reading 0. 80. Value of elimination causes.
So it's that JS value of didn't help.
Really? That's gross. Why not? Can I not do that? See, it's very funny because like neither of these are my favorite programming languages. There we go. Let's see. No, okay, so the snake moved into a square that was at the head of its opponent, but it was also logically the only square it could have moved into. That's
okay.
Well, no, so that's not quite right. That should have given us some kind of error when we did. There's a bug here.
Okay. Oh, so we should have at least had the def cause looking ahead for that. Okay.
Let's take a look at these.
But it's running and it's making logical decisions.
Yeah, it did an up and down. Like, I mean, it doesn't know how to find food, right? It just knows how to survive at least one turn ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, we definitely have a bug because it moved off the. It just went up and then moved off the board and then.
Oh,
died.
it's just Raptorware.
Oh, no rule set standard. Oh, are we not passing through the rule set to the simulator?
Oh, that would be. But then hang on, does the simulator run without a rule set? Is the simulator also using the rules library? I didn't think that check eliminations runs without a rule set.
That's a great question. I don't know. A MinMax tuples where we don't die. I need.
Oh no, Corey says we are not. It's hard coded, but thinks it's standard. So.
Okay. Cool. So in this position. Oh.
What?
Down. Oh. Did I get my? I see the problem here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there is a problem here. Okay, so our heuristic. So right now, okay, this is like some good Battlesnake content now. So
138 minutes in, yeah.
Okay, so so basically, right, we're applying a heuristic function where we eliminate future moves where only our opponents don't die, right? So consider if you have I'm going to draw just a little board.
Diagrams.
I'm going to draw just a little board here, right? So consider, right, you have a snake head here.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm going to just draw the exact situation that we had on the board when this happened. Something like this, right, where this is the tail. And then you have a snake head here, and then the snake is shorter, right? It's something like this.
Sure.
So this snake doesn't die if it moves up, right? So like that is a state that our heuristic function is saying this snake will want to take. But and our snake doesn't die if we move down from this state, right? But very obviously, if this snake just moves right once, it will certainly kill us because we're trapped in this corner. And so our heuristic function is simply not like our heuristic function right now is did we die? Where we need to sort of like start doing some like very simple preferential filtering to
right.
So like we sort of need to. Oh, that's
we need more heuristics, right? We only have
we kind of need to start pulling just a little more information out of this. So like one thing we can do actually with the information we have is find tuples where the other snake can certainly kill us. And the way we do that is aggregate the tuples by moves that are not index 0. Grouped by other moves. But
these variable names are getting out of hand.
Yeah, but the trick here is that it's teaching Copilot what to write for us, right? Nice. Like that's yeah, Copilot totally figured this out. Yeah, so type string cannot be used as an index type. What? Oh, it's a string array. Sure. Why does that not work? How do I put a type signature on this? Oh, I can do
the as thing people were saying, did he?
How do I do a hash math in TypeScript?
Give chat a couple of seconds.
Yeah, chat. Could somebody in chat tell me how to do hash math in TypeScript? Oh, sure. Or Copilot can figure it out. Nice.
Copilot versus chat.
Then this is it's fine. This is this type. Okay. So now what do I want to do? What do I want to do with this?
How dare you be AFK, Corey? We should be your full attention should be on us.
For key. Yep. Yeah. If so if we die in all moves here, this will certainly be chosen. I think Copilot could probably work it out from there. Yep, Copilot worked it out. I love Copilot. So this is the case where we certainly die, right? Because in this case, regardless of what move all the other snakes take, they will pick this move because we will die. So we can just like... What do you want to do in a case where there's no possible safe move?
Go back on our own neck. That's what all the cool kids do.
Why did you... you know what? We're just going to move left.
Sure.
Because I am tired. And
did I choose the most difficult option?
You did. You did, actually. Okay, you know what? If we can get this to work, then I think I'm going to call this victory. And isn't it?
Should we at least go right? Is that the direction of the meme? I always forget which way. Yeah, we should at least go right to satisfy Aurora and the Battlesnake meme crew.
Okay, well we're going left.
Okay.
I'm a rebel.
That's fine.
Well, it moved up and then killed itself. Why?
Big mood.
But you die if you move up. Why did that not?
Oh, it's actually in the array as well. Perfect.
It doesn't. No, it doesn't know it's going to die if it moves.
Oh.
So it's at the top of the game, and it thinks up is a safe move. I have no idea what's going on.
Did you? Is everything saved? Did you build the code?
That's a great question. Let's double check. It should, but it does. No, it like we have a more fundamental. Oh no! Oh, I screwed up.
But how? You didn't change anything that influenced that.
It does. Huh. Well, I think it's not. So this must mean it's not correctly getting the elimination cause out. Okay, so we can do that. Okay. We can just make this work. I mean, at some point you're probably going to make me stop, but at some point,
I mean, it's fine. It's fine.
Wait. Oh, okay. Yeah. Console log moves with IDs. I'm having so much fun. I hope everyone else is having as much fun as I am having.
I'm like, this has earnestly been very educational for me. I actually haven't seen the implementation of a MinMax snake yet.
This is not a true MinMax snake yet. Oh god, this game is going long.
I mean, that's good. That's a good sign.
Does this work well is not finding an excuse to murder the badly coded snake. There we go. It murdered the badly coded snake. Okay, so the kill detection is working.
Is it detecting the top of the board now?
It identified no safe moves.
Okay.
Ooh.
So the last time was.
I'm wondering if there was a fluke. Let's give this one more. Let's give this one more match.
That was definitely quicker.
Yeah. No. It moved into its own neck.
Hey, just as I wanted.
We have you up, down.
I'm sure you would have noticed, but like, we're not timing out or anything weird, are we?
No, we're not.
Okay, cool.
We're not.
Yeah.
So let's have a look at this. Down. Okay. Oh no. Joe, I think our snakes are not in order.
Oh, how?
Joe, I think our snakes.
Where does that happen?
I think you lied to me.
But
you did.
Wait, from the game state? The game state board snakes, they're always ordered. When would we not be in order?
You was the one snake, not the zeroth snake.
What's the zeroth snake then?
The enemy. It's a game with two snakes. The zeroth snake is the enemy.
If there's 4 snakes, are you at the end of the array?
I have no idea. It's fine. We can just do this moves.
Yeah, I don't think that's that's changed. I blame Brad. I don't believe it. I'm gonna go to the docs right now.
Well, I'm
apparently I lied to Corey as well in the first episode then, so there might be some code somewhere that's like assuming that our snake is the zero snake left.
How am I going to fix this?
Have I really fucked it? Is everything fucked? Oh, sorry, my bad.
No.
Have I really messed it up?
No. Actually, this is
Okay.
pretty easy. This is pretty easy. Let UID as game state.u.id.
I still don't believe this. Why does the sample move request only have one snake in it? No, it does have two snakes. Okay, cool. My snake, another snake. Okay, all I'm saying is in the sample move request, the 0 snake is you.
Great. That doesn't... You see how that doesn't...
It fulfills my purposes. It defends me here in this court of law, so I don't see anything. Thank you.
Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. How much of this is assuming that we are the 0th snake? How much of this is assuming... Did any other snake die? Values is... No, now we need to look through values, set u index for a true value. Copilot, please.
Do I have to summon Brad again? Where chat's inconclusive.
Well, I'm telling you the observed behavior, right?
Oh yeah, I know. No, this isn't this. I'm not believing you. You're looking at code that's doing the thing. I'm just like, I'm surprised that this has gotten this far with this being the first time it's caused me personally a problem.
Oh my god, this is Joseph.
I'm so sorry.
Moves accept.
Look, again, we're on show 5. How is this only now just come up if I told Corey to do this in show 1?
There might be why the snake never had the correct behavior in the first place.
I guess we wouldn't have known that because we didn't write any logic until show 4.
Yeah. Okay, I think I have eliminated all.
So does everyone else, when you use the snakes array, do you actually have to search for your snake by name? How does everyone else use the snakes array then if it's not ordered?
I mean, I convert to an optimized representation, so I don't have this problem.
Right.
But yeah, you have to search through the snakes array to see if a snake's ID is equal to UID.
Nonsense.
You're like really mad about this, huh?
I am genuine. I can't. It's literally been 3 years, and this is the first I'm hearing of this.
Okay, let's see if this works now. I mean, the good news is we hit like an impossible bug if this was coded correctly, so it was pretty easy to figure out. Okay. Right now the snake is just chicken snaking, so it's hard to tell if it's doing the right thing. Which is what we would expect this to do, actually. Is it out of choices? No, it should move right. Why did it move left? Oh no, because left up. Left down. Where is that? Left down, self dice true, others dice false. Group by other moves, filter join. We need to log this thing. Basically, I want to get this behavior working, and then I'm going to call it. Or we're just going to run out of time.
This working is a good place to end. Though Corey does say there's definitely assumed 0 index in the Go code as well. If you want to track that down, but we can also leave that as an exercise to Corey.
Yeah.
Everyone has to pay off my tech debt. I'm so sorry, everyone. I'm genuinely shocked. I'm gonna go back through and look at every snake I've ever written now and find that assumed 0.
Oh no, this should be any. Or some. Is that right? No, not quite. This is after. This is only if we don't die. So we also need to. Oh, this is. I just. This actually needs to move. Reduce filter. This is next pupils. I know while the snake dies. But if we don't die, and there is an opportunity to kill us, they will optimistically take it. Let's see if this works. This is where, like... Fuck. Oh, no, it was a timeout. Okay, it was a timeout. Great.
Okay.
What happened here? It just moved left a bunch. Oh, and we need to eliminate self-neck moves.
Okay.
We can do that in the validation function. It will be easier. If... Oh my god. Snake paws, neck. Neck is body 1. If neck dot x minus.
Go should do the neck moves, Corey says.
Why should Go do the neck moves?
I think he's suggesting that it does currently do the neck moves, not that that's where it should be added.
Oh. I don't see any code that does that. Oh, oh no!
It'll be an elimination.
Sorry,
because of that. Yeah.
That's a great question. Corey is the reason I need to eliminate the neck moves is actually that those will always kill us, and so we're trying to detect states where another snake can kill us.
I see. Got you.
So we need to not simulate neck moves.
Yeah. That will give false positives for another snake killing you in the current setup.
Exactly. So if neck is x minus 1, then we can't go left. That's 1. We can't go right. If neck is above us, we can't go up. Copilot needs to know that Y is up in Battlesnake. Like the computer graphics people have ruined this.
Have a lot to account for. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is Kevin's favorite subject. We're lucky he's not here to rant about it.
Yeah. Okay, it moved off the board. Why did it move off the board? Sorry, this is like, we have some kind of super weird bug. And I don't understand. GH. So if we move left. If we move left. No, we didn't simulate us moving left though. We simulated... Oh, why does TypeScript not recursively log? That's really annoying. All right, Joe. I might.
That's fine. We can totally call it there. One last suggestion from Corey. Corey reckons the current bug might be the 0 indexing Go. Do you reckon it's going to be hard to track down where we assume that 0 indexing Go?
We can take a look.
So we can.
I thought I eliminated that.
Okay, if you've got it, then me and Corey are not keeping up.
I thought
Value of R. Oh, there was an arg. There was a something 0 there. I guess we could just control F for 0 array.
No,
indexing.
that's pulling something
that's
out.
that. Cool. Okay.
I do at least a little bit.
You think you got it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think I've got it.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, I mean we can totally call this there. So, what is our current status? Where are we at? Just unspecified, undefined behavior.
No, it's can I want to just take one more crack at this if it.
Yeah, go on. Have another run.
MinMax pupils group by other moves. What was I doing here? Left up. Right, but we shouldn't be simulating that anymore because I know what I need to do. I'm gonna need a couple more pokes at this. I think this is like my brain is big mad and
I mean you've done a lot. Like a lot has gone on here. What I'm very afraid about is the very serious senior director of RBC. That's I've never met Jeffrey. I'm sure they're lovely, but that someone else has to inherit this code base after you.
Yeah.
How do I explain what's? I don't. I mean, I'm gonna have to learn how to understand the code for 2 weeks from now.
Yeah. Good luck with that. Okay, so we are 0 this time. So we simulated our own neck move when our neck is up of us, which we shouldn't have done. Oh, is this? Do I just have a sign flip somewhere? I surely don't. Surely I am not. Oh, I didn't redeploy. Oh, and the snake just ran off the board. Okay, we have bugs. You know what? I'm gonna leave.
We have bugs.
I'm gonna leave this in a place where it's not like trying to do anything really fancy.
Wait, what do you mean? You're not gonna strip all the MinMax out, are you?
I'm gonna strip the piece of the MinMax that like certainly is not working.
Okay. Is that where we're checking if another snake kills us?
Yeah. I think these 2 pieces are actually pretty solid.
Okay.
And then I want X is equal, and the neck is 1 above. Okay. This is. I think this is where I'm gonna leave you.
Okay.
And like, I just want to check that it does something reasonable. Yeah, it's not colliding with its own neck anymore. It's gone into the corner and it's just spinning in a circle.
Love it.
Until it runs out of health. Yeah, great. And there's great. Okay, that's a very reasonable. There was a crash there, but like, who cares?
It crashed because there was no moves, right?
Yeah. There were no legal moves for it to make.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have push on the repo. Could you give me push on the repo?
Pull request. What's wrong with pull requests? You pull request.
Okay, fine. I'll do that.
I can't give you push on the repo though.
I'll do that after. We're done. We're finished.
We're done. We're shipped it. Thank you so much. You came in. You fixed. I can't even. What have you done? I can't even remember. You fixed all of the places we did crimes against marshalling Go in JavaScript. That's one place. That was mostly to do with JSON. We're now using JS values, right?
Yeah. So that's the main thing we did. Is we're no longer doing JavaScript crimes. And then we implemented like a 1-turn min-max that doesn't quite work. Like honestly, if we like what I would do if I was like a very serious human being is I would implement a heuristic function over the states we're projecting, and that should actually like you could make the snake look for food.
Right.
But to do that, you would need to pass data out of Go into JavaScript and then back into Go. And I feel like that might be kind of advanced for anyone who isn't a crazy JavaScript WASM hacker. Maybe I can
got 3 more shows.
You know what? Maybe I can clean this up a little bit on my stream this weekend, and then.
Sure. Well, I now get to warn our next guest, who will be on in 2 weeks, that this is the state of the codebase. But otherwise, thank you so much for spending time with us today. I will free you from the stream. When are you next streaming?
I think I'm going to do Saturday morning. So. Cool. Oh, and then I'm actually on vacation for some of next week, so there will be surprise streams in the middle of the week. Everyone watch out for those.
Vacation Battlesnake is the best Battlesnake. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for viewing and helping everyone. Penelope, I will release you and do the wrap up. Thank you so much.
All right. Bye, folks.
Bye. Alrighty, thank you again, Penelope. That was wonderful as always. When I first invited Penelope, we spoke a little bit about Penelope saying, where she wanted to be in the stream schedule. One of the first jokes she made was like, can I do MCTS in 90 minutes? We didn't go that route, but it was near enough. I think we were very ambitious and got lots done. Thank you so much, Penelope. So, we'll be back in 2 weeks with Jeffrey Pert from RBC. And that is show number 6, so just 2 more to go after that. We're roaring towards May. If you want to check out what the full schedule and what's coming up when, check out the GitHub, which is on the screen now. We will get this today's code there and into the commit table. Thank you, Corey, for that fix that you submitted. I didn't see the pull request until Penelope mentioned it. I've now merged that. But yeah, you can see the current state of the code base there and the upcoming schedule. So we will see you in 2 weeks. I don't have anything else to announce because Spring League is over and nothing else is going on. So watch Penelope stream on Saturday. Keep an eye out on Penelope's Twitter, I guess, and on Discord for when and if that will be happening. And otherwise, we will see you in 2 weeks' time. Farewell and have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye.